A 2024 Tesla Cybertruck pulled into the area.
Tesla Cybertruck explodes outside Trump Hotel in Las Vegas. What we know. Published for 13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 2nd, 2025. Authors: Hannah Park, Chelsea Bailey, Bryn Gingras, John Miller, and Lauren Mascarenhas. An explosion involving a Tesla Cybertruck outside the Trump International Hotel in Las Vegas on New Year's Day has left one person dead and 7 others injured. Authorities believe the vehicle's design helped contain the damage, preventing a larger catastrophe. Incident overview. The explosion occurred Wednesday morning when a combination of fireworks, gas tanks, and camping fuel in the truck's bed were detonated by a device allegedly controlled by the driver, according to law enforcement. The driver, who rented the Cybertruck from Colorado, died in the blast. Sheriff Kevin McMahill of the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department emphasized the pivotal role of the truck's unique construction. The fact that this was a Cybertruck really limited the damage that occurred. The blast went primarily upward, leaving the hotel's front glass doors intact, he stated during a press briefing. The FBI is investigating potential ties to terrorism, as the explosion follows another violent incident involving a rented vehicle earlier that day in New Orleans. Timeline of events. The truck was rented through Turo, a car-sharing platform, and arrived in Las Vegas at approximately 7:30 a.m. Wednesday morning. Surveillance footage revealed the vehicle circling the Trump Hotel before parking at the valet area, where the explosion occurred shortly after. Social media footage showed the truck engulfed in flames, while CCTV captured the moment of the blast. Investigators discovered scorched gasoline containers and firework mortars among the wreckage. Investigation and possible links to terrorism. Authorities are exploring whether this incident is connected to a deadly vehicle attack in New Orleans earlier on New Year's Day. In that attack, a rented pickup truck plowed into a crowd on Bourbon Street, killing at least 15 people. Both vehicles were rented through Turo, though police have described the similarity as a coincidence for now. We are actively investigating potential links between the two attacks as well as any broader connections, Sheriff McMahill said. Officials suspect the driver of the Cybertruck had a military background, though they have not publicly identified the individual. Role of Tesla's design and assistance. Tesla's Cybertruck, known for its robust, armored construction, helped mitigate the explosion's impact. I have to thank Elon Musk, McMahill said, noting that Tesla provided surveillance footage from its charging stations to assist in tracking the driver's movements. Turo's response. Turo, the platform used to rent both vehicles, is cooperating fully with investigators. We are deeply saddened by these tragic events and are working closely with authorities, a Turo spokesperson said, adding that no criminal background checks had flagged the renters as potential threats. Ongoing investigation. Authorities continue to investigate whether the Las Vegas and New Orleans attacks are connected, or if they are isolated incidents. We're also examining other attacks worldwide to identify any patterns or links, McMahill said. This remains a developing story, and officials are urging anyone with information to come forward.